guys, and welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Taya, and in today's video I'm going to show y'all how I got this wave hairstyle, crimps, waves, whatever you want to call it. It's so easy. It takes me like 10 to 15 minutes in total, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is put heat protectant. I'm using the John Frieda Frizz-Ease extra strength serum, and I'm gonna use 1 pump of this and put this all throughout my hair. Ow. Especially focusing it on my actual hair, because I could care less about the weave and more about my own hair, you know. Like I said, this hairstyle is so easy. I'm just gonna section it like in half, and I'm gonna work on the sections. You literally only need to do 2. All I'm gonna do is keep my hair up here, do all of this, and then take this down and do that part. Just make sure everything is always detangled. I'm gonna take pieces that are about this big. I do bigger sections because 1, it's quicker, 2, it's less volume, and I know that's weird to say, but I prefer less volume. Alright, you guys, so I realized I never said what tool I was using. I'm using the Bedhead Wave We Go adjustable deep waver, and I just recently got this and I love it so much. It's adjustable so you can control how deep you want the waves. I have mine on the lowest height because I want my waves to look really natural. And if you guys are wondering, also I have a sew-in right now. I have 3 bundles from All Virgin Hair, and they are Cambodian body wave in the inches 20 and 22, I'm pretty sure. So in case you guys are wondering, and I do have leave out on the top. So like I've already said, this style is really easy. I'm working in bigger sections, and I'm starting about like 3 inches down the length of my hair, and just holding it for, I'd say the longest you need to hold it for is 10 seconds. So don't go any further than that or you might burn your hair off, literally. And I just crimp it all the way down to the end. I like my ends to be curled inwards. I just think that looks the best. And that's basically it. It's literally easy. It's very repetitive as well, but you guys wanted me to do a tutorial on it, so here I am. But yeah, this is how the first layer looks, and I just let everything set before I go in and like comb it out or anything like that. And after you section out your piece, you definitely want to detangle it before you go in and crimp it. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say because this is like the easiest hairstyle ever, which is why I love it so much. And moving on to the top pieces, I do kind of take the waver and straighten out the top of my hair, just so it can be flat. And then I start like 4 inches down because I don't want as much volume at the top of my head. I'm gonna keep it, you know, all towards the bottom. So as you can see, I'm waving, like starting kind of where my eyebrows are. And yeah, again, just go all the way down, hold it for 10 seconds. And another really important thing, once you finish one wave, like right here, you want to start that one where the previous one ends. So wherever it makes an upwards groove, if that makes sense, you want to start the next wave right there. And you guys will see right here again, hopefully. Yep, so I put it right in that upwards groove and just clamped it down. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm spraying my hair with hairspray and making really ugly faces, and I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can check out the description box. But this is how it looks immediately after I finish, before I comb anything out. And I'm gonna go in with the John Frieda Frizz-Ease one more time, and then just kind of like finger detangle my hair because I don't want the crimps to be too defined. I want everything to look more natural. So I'm just gonna keep finger detangling until I find that, you know, it's natural enough to my liking. And you guys can also use a brush or a comb right now to detangle, or not detangle, but just brush the hair out and make it, you know, more fluffy, more natural. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really, really easy. Like, I can't stress that enough. It's so easy. All you need is the tool and you're good to go. So I ended up putting my hair back in the middle part because I didn't like the side part. It just didn't look right to me, on me. And then I put some castor oil like on the top and just ran a comb through it so that it can be more flat. But yeah, this is the final look. This is how it turned out. I think it's like a cute, like natural look, in my opinion. Like, especially because if you brush them out, it makes it look way more natural. That is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this hairstyle or you're gonna try it, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.